Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how the preview tool is used. So when you made your apps and you wanted to see a mock-up or something in an app form to kind of make sure everything looks good, everything's great, we have this preview code here, and we've got a tool that is only available for Android. It's not available on iOS because Apple does not allow it. But here it is, the tool. It's called the preview tool. This is what it looks like. You need to install it on your Android device, and then you can use these codes right here. And see what the actual app looks like in full form. So I'm going to use this one because I already created this. So it's 0737366. So here's the tool. And it doesn't look good on my screen here, but it does look fine inside the app. So it's asking for a business code. Not sure what these lines are showing up, but it doesn't show like that on my phone. So I'm going to go back into the 0777366 0777366. Hit done and hit submit, and now it will take me inside of the app. So there's this app that we had made, and it will be it's a fully functioning app. So if you want to reset the preview tool, by the way, you have to log out of the app and then hit the preview reset. But let's just log in, and I'm going to use this email address 123. It's not the right password. 123. Log in. Allow. So there's the app. Now I can see it on my phone. I know this looks a little pixelated on the screen because it's actually not pixelated at all. It looks perfect on my phone. All the features work. You can see all the functions. You can play with the images. Everything is functioning in the app. And you can see everything the way it should be working. So that's the preview tool. Again, in order for this to work, you need to have the preview tool downloaded, and then you use the preview codes that you've got right here in your system. All right, and this is what it looks like on the Google Store, the preview tool. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. But before I let you go, just so everyone is, again, 100% clear on how to reset the preview tool, you would go to the menu here and then the settings, click on that, hit the logout button, and now you will see the reset preview right here. Once you click that, now it's ready for a new preview code. Okay, so this is a fully blue screen. I'm not sure why this is showing up, but this is exactly how the tool works. It's perfect for previewing your apps on your phone. You can get your clients to download this app as well, and then give them the business code, and then they'd be able to use it and play with the app, the demo of their app right on their phones. Thanks for watching.